I like to drive. I like to see everything moving. I like the hours because you work sometimes in the morning and the evening, so you have between the hours you have a lot of time at home. A home for me is where I am safe with my wife and with my children, and where I live my life. We have always lived in social houses here in Halle. I think Halle is my home.
Social housing is for people who can't get on the normal market because they don't have the funding or they don't have the possibility to buy a house. So we provide houses with a lower rent. 85% of our houses are from the 1970s, 1980s. Some of the houses aren't insulated, so lots of energy goes through the roof. So we need to renovate them or rebuild them. We found out that when we build new houses, it's around the same price to renovate them. The only thing with new build is our carbon footprint is a lot higher than with the renovation. For renovation, we can make sure that the tenants can stay at home, so we prefer renovation when possible.
Before the Knauf insulation was working here, the wind was coming through the door, also the windows. In the winter, it was always 13 degrees in the night, and now it's 16, 17 almost. So it is a very big difference. I think it was just 5 days only for all the works.
So you can see over here the difference between the non-renovated house and the renovated house, which is quite visible, as these houses don't have neither the insulation, the external wall insulation, nor the roof insulation. So we've removed the roof asbestos, we've worked on the roof reinforcement.
Our building project is the deep renovation of 63 houses. First of all, before starting a project, we are pre-monitoring via different sensors. These sensors and kits helps us to understand how the building is behaving. Once we have all this data, we can suggest different solutions that can help to make the best decision for the energy retrofit. Once we agree, we implement it, and then with the same sensors that we've installed, we can understand what is the real energy saving that we've made. At the end of the project, we are given proof to the hand of the client to say, this is how much you save. With really basic retrofit, the minimum energy saving is between 15 to 20%. With the technology that we have and with the design that we are delivering, it's really easy to go beyond it.
We asked Knauf for a real performance measurement to prove that every euro we spent, that it was spent well, and that the quality was also there.
It's been for 12 years or 13 years that I'm working in construction. Actually, it's a new experience to work with social housing companies and to work with private residents. You feel that you are really making a positive impact and participating really to make people's life better.
Voilà, on va montrer le grenier ici, ce qui a été fait. Voilà. Tu peux monter pour regarder. Before 2019, when I paid my bill from gas and electric, it was very expensive. And now this is the second year now that I pay less. I think it is good for my family, and it is also good for my wallet. But most of all, better for the planet.
When we are participating in making spaces better for people to live in, this is the most important thing. It impacts our way of life.